Enchanted Barnyard. The stage is set to resemble a colorful and inviting barnyard. A cheerful narrator welcomes the audience. Hello, everyone! Are you ready to meet some amazing pet pals? Let's get started! Horsing around with Henry. Henry the horse enters, neighing happily. He's wearing a colorful bridle and a big smile. Meet Henry the horse. He's strong, fast, and loves to run. Who wants to give Henry a big, friendly neigh hello? Glub glub with Goldie. A clear aquarium appears, filled with bubbles. Goldie the goldfish swims around gracefully. Say hello to Goldie the goldfish. She lives in the water and loves to sparkle and shine. Can you all give Goldie a little wave? Rallying with Daisy. Daisy the duck waddles in, quacking merrily. She's got a bright orange beak and fluffy feathers. This is Daisy the duck. She's always on the go, exploring and quacking away. Who wants to give Daisy a big quack quack? Terrific time with Timmy. Timmy, the turtle, slowly makes his way across the stage. He's got a shiny shell and a wise look in his eyes. Meet Timmy the turtle. He's slow and steady, and he carries his home on his back. Can you all say, "Hi, Timmy, happy hen house," with Henrietta. Henrietta the hen struts in, clucking softly. She's got lovely feathers and a motherly look. Here comes Henrietta the hen. She lays delicious eggs and loves to take care of her little chicks. Let's all say, "Cluck, cluck, Henrietta." Giggles with Gigi the guinea pig. Gigi the guinea pig enters, squeaking playfully. She's got soft fur and a twitching little nose. Say hello to Gigi the guinea pig. She's tiny and oh so cute. Who wants to give Gigi a sweet little squeak squeak? Sheepish shenanigans with Shelly. A fluffy pasture backdrop appears, and Shelly the sheep enters, baaing happily. She's got a cozy fleece coat. Last but not least, it's Shelly the sheep. She's fluffy and loves to play in the meadow. Can you all give Shelly a big ba-ba?